I found the stone circle. That's not even on the map. And that road down there goes to Kirkby Stephen, and if you go that way, that goes to Sedburgh. It's on that road. Let's have a look down here. Never been here before. And up there takes you up to Wildboar Fell. I think that'd be a longer route to go up that way. Hey, let's see what we've got here. Standing stones. Everyone will have a smiley face. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got the centre one. What is that? What does it look like? I need my compass. That could be the northern one. That's the centre one. Into sunrise, into sunset. Summer sunset, summer sunrise, and that's just your north. I'll have to work it out on the piece of paper. There we have it. Can't find it on the map. I haven't got a clue what it's called. I've never been up there. And I think somewhere over in that field there's another standing stone. So I was going to go into that field, but there's a wall in the way. white horses in the field. I like to go up there. Nice little walk. I'm going over there. Right. Will that do? I think will. So that's your onions and that's your shallot.